So in reduction of dental aerosol, the next topic is use of pre-procedural mouth rinse. So now why I am going to cover this topic, because many people called me with the question that we should use this mouthwash or not. So yes, we should use pre-procedural mouth rinse, either chlorhexidine or betadine, and as far as the coronavirus is concerned, we should use betadine mouthwash. And the question is why? So there are few evidences which showed use of 0.23 to 1% provident iodine for 1 to 2 minutes reduces SARS-CoV virus. So the study by Kariva et al. In 2006 showed that virus infectivity can be reduced up to the undetectable level after the use of 0.23 to 1% of provident iodine for 1 to 2 minutes. So this is the one evidence we can consider for the use of provident iodine. Now how provident iodine reduces the infectivity in case of these coronaviruses? So the mechanism of action is pathogen are eradicated by the active moiety, that is a free iodine being released into solution from provident iodine complex. So it penetrates the cell wall and inactivate the cells by forming complexes with amino acids and unsaturated fatty acids, resulting in impaired protein synthesis and alteration of cell membrane. So this basic mechanism of action leads to strong microbicidal activity. In addition to that, there are multiple modes of action which includes disruption of microbial metabolic pathway as well as destabilize the structural component of cell membrane, causing irreversible damage to pathogen. So this is a mechanism of action by provident iodine, which is because of free iodine released from the provident iodine complex. Then another in vitro study, as the study by Kariva et al. Showed 0.23 to 1% of provident iodine for 1 to 2 minutes. There is another in vitro study which was conducted by considering the time factor in case of pre-procedural mouth rinse, because it is not possible to hold provident iodine by many people for 1 to 2 minutes. So this in vitro study used 1:30 dilution of provident iodine, which is equivalent to the 0.23 ml for 15 seconds, and this study showed that there is a reduction of many viruses including SARS-CoV virus and rotavirus. So with these two evidences, it is possible to say that we should use provident iodine as a pre-procedural mouth rinse in a concentration of 0.23 in a dosage of 0.23 to 1 ml for 30 seconds to 1 minute before procedures to reduce contamination of dental aerosols.